Did you know that your brain is changing right this moment that you're seeing this? It's building new connections and it's learning. This is because your brain is the most adaptable system in the world. And this ability to constantly change is called neural plasticity. Imagine moving to a new country. You barely speak the language, don't know your way around, and the culture is unfamiliar. At first, everything feels new and challenging. But gradually, your brain begins to adapt. It learns new words, recognizes patterns in the streets, remembers routines. You find your way more easily and become more confident in your new environment. That's neuroplasticity in action. This exact ability is what companies need today. They need to be able to adapt to new technologies and trends without losing sight of the bigger picture. So what if your company could be as adaptable as your brain? The answer, the SAP Business Suite. A system that works like a digital brain, connected, intelligent, and ready to adapt. First, there's applications. The Business Suite brings together all core applications: finance, logistics, sales, and so on, all fully integrated. This enables seamless, efficient processes. Second, data. All applications access a shared data foundation. This ensures transparency, consistency, and the basis for real-time, well-informed decisions. Third, Business AI. Integrated artificial intelligence identifies patterns, automates routine tasks, and recommends concrete actions, quickly, precisely, and proactively. This is creating a system that thinks ahead, that is not only reacting to change, but actively shaping it, like a learning brain.